All right, guys, we are out at Sika here in Winston-Salem. It's the first Cars and Coffee of the year, I think. Maybe second, my first. And super excited. Today is the BMW and Mercedes day. And I've already seen some cool stuff as I pulled in. So let's get looking around. cool little car show today, a little car meet. I took some photos of an old Land Rover, and I took some photos of a sticker. I'm taking the picture of the sticker, and the owner of the Land Rover comes over. First he tells me $5 a picture. Joking, of course. He asked what sticker I was taking a picture of. I told him about my Land Cruiser, and he gave me a sticker. I'm stoked. Y'all have a good day.